Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I just did a video, I think it was part 7. I didn't realize I'd done so many when somebody asked me a question. But ironically, somebody asked me how I got rid of the double lines when I did this, and I just started thinking there's a better way. Instead of deleting all these lines all the way around. So we're gonna go ahead and group this together and then Control D and make a duplicate. I think I made 2 duplicates. Let me just start over. Control D to make a duplicate, it was already grouped. I'm gonna move the center rotation to the center, and I'm gonna rotate it that 90 degrees. Now I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna delete these extra lines, but I only have to delete them one time this time, because I'm gonna use the Smart Fill tool. So this will help answer 2 questions. I think we have made the outer one blue, so I'm gonna make the inner one red like we had before. I think the outer one was blue, and the inner one was yellow on the other one. It doesn't matter. But what's so neat about this, I'm gonna nudge that out of the way, I'm gonna nudge the blue out of the way, I'm gonna nudge the red out of the way. And then I'm just gonna nudge this out of the way. I'm gonna nudge these back. I'm gonna go ahead and group them, Control G. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate them, Control D. I'm gonna hold down the center rotation, and I'm gonna rotate this now 90 degrees, and look, it's working all the way around. Don't have to cut out the lines. Don't have to worry about it filling in. And you could do that with more than 3 numbers or more than 3 loops, and it would look pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that answered both questions, and thank you for watching.